Hey traders, in this video, I'm going to be trading on pocket option here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing quick scalps, really just quick momentum scalps. So this is just for pure experimental purposes. I don't typically do this at all. Really, I'm just going to be looking where the momentum is going, and I'm going to be going upwards with the momentum. Really simple trading strategy. And I do not advise this trading strategy, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to see what the win rate is like with pure momentum scalping for currencies, for stocks, for all these different types of things. So here, I really just want to see like a clear trend in one of these. So for example, this one might be going, yeah, not really a clear trend for many of these ones right here. This one's going upwards. So really here, I think I might just do a quick upwards buy. Let's do the buy right here. And I don't think this is a win. I think it's a loss. So it's 50% win rate so far. And now I think it's safe to say that I can do maybe a sell. Let's try a sell out here. So just trading with the recent momentum. Okay, that was a correct. So now we're at around 2/3 win rate. So 67% win rate, not too bad with the current momentum trading so far. So now let's do a quick little buy. Okay, so a little buy there and quick little momentum. So now we're at 2 out of 4 wins. And it's not working too well, but let's go to another one right here. Let's go over and do I think this one is actually going downwards. The momentum is downwards, so let's do a sell. Okay. Okay, quick little win there. So now we're at 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 wins. So I think that's around break even. Because we don't get 100% of our money if we win, 100% of our money like back if we win on binary options. That's how they make a little bit of profit. So here they make around like 8% profit, right? So it's something with pretty much all the binary options trading platforms. Pocket option and Quotex are a little bit worse, are a little bit better compared to the worst platforms. So they offer well above 90%, which most binary options trading platforms do not. They offer more closer to 70 to 80%, most of them at least. So this is definitely one of the better trading platforms. Okay, so here I think it is safe to say that I mean in the recent few trades, in the recent few candles, that's been upwards. So difficult to say what the momentum is, but let's do a quick little trade somewhere here. So this one, I think the recent ones have been a sell. Looks like, but the momentum does not seem very actually, let's just go with the momentum, right? That's the purpose of this video. Experimental, thinking a little too much, but it's just experimental, right? We're just seeing how much profits really. Heck, let's do another trade here. Let's just do another trade here. Just ride the momentum, right? So another profit actually. So that's 2 more trades. So that's like it's a pretty decent win rate actually. And we're above, we're actually profitable so far. Let's try to do a few more trades. Maybe 3 to 5 more trades. Just following the momentums, right? So here it's going downwards, it seems. I do think that it will probably stay downwards from what I can see. So now it's another win actually. So just following momentums, pure experimental. So just following what it's generally doing has been somewhat successful, right? So obviously there's many different momentum indicators. There's the super trend indicator on pocket option. It's one of pocket options indicators that many other trading platforms do not have. And there's also obviously the MACD, which is a very important indicator for determining momentum. And of course, the candlestick itself. So if the candlestick is up or down, then you can trade accordingly. So you have to determine all these 3 different things to see where it's headed at. So here now the momentum seems to be up a little bit. So I think this is a decent momentum trade. So let's see if this is profitable. It's not profitable. Is it still up? Let's see. So it seems to be going downwards, so it's not very steady, but this one seems to be quite green. So let's just ride the momentum on that one. And it looks to be green. Made our money back a little bit there. Yeah, so Let's do a few more trades here. This one right here seems to be quite green, so let's just ride the momentum there, right? This one does not seem to be looking too good. I think that, okay, let's try to find some greener momentum, actually. So here, it's pretty green momentum. As green as you can get, really. Another loss, though, as you can see there. I'm not sure if the candlestick was green at the time, but we can give it another chance. If the tick stick, okay, so let's do a buy, initially right here. Okay, so that's actually might actually want to do a sell, potentially. So we made a profit there accidentally. So now it's actually going downwards, as you can see here. Let's do a sell. Just go with the momentum. Okay, so so far we made some ups and downs, but I think overall it is a little bit profitable. So momentum trading, just kind of going with the momentum. So looking at the candlestick, right? Having the MACD indicator, the RSI indicator, everything, at least around 65% or so win rate, right? So obviously not the best trading strategy, but if you do want more certain trades, then definitely go to becoinnet. They offer around an 80% accuracy with 360 signals for each asset. It's completely free to use, right? And for example, here in the next minute or so, Polkadot is expected to go up with about a 77% accuracy. Okay. Same with Ethereum, but it's expected to go down. Okay. So really great. And you can also sign up on Polkadot option or Codex directly on becoinnet. And if you want 50% off, you can click this link right here. Really basically free money. So yeah, happy trading on Polkadot option or Codex, whichever one you choose. I prefer Polkadot option, but yeah, happy trading.